In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add points on Microsoft Forms. This is a straightforward process that enhances your quizzes and forms, making them more interactive and useful for evaluations. Let's dive into the steps to get you started. First, open your browser and search for Microsoft Forms. You can use any search engine you prefer. As you type, you will likely see the Microsoft Forms link appear near the top of the search results. This action is crucial because it directs you to the platform where you will create and manage your forms. Once you find the link, click on it to proceed. You may see a familiar Microsoft logo, which indicates that you are in the right place. Next, click the correct link and log in if prompted. If you already have a Microsoft account, enter your credentials, including your email address and password. If you do not have an account yet, you may need to create one. Logging in ensures that your work is saved and accessible from any device. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Forms dashboard where you can view and create forms as needed. This step is important because it secures your forms and allows you to access your work later. From there, if you are starting fresh, go to your Forms dashboard and click the drop-down arrow next to New Form. In the options that appear, select New Quiz. This action is significant because quizzes allow you to assign points to questions, making them ideal for assessments. The interface will change slightly, indicating you are now in quiz mode. You will notice options tailored specifically for grading, which will be beneficial as you proceed. Now, click on the question you want to grade to open its editing view. You can choose any question you have created or still need to create. Clicking on the question highlights it and reveals additional editing options. This is where the magic happens, as you will soon set the point value for this question. Once you are in the editing view, you will see various settings and options that pertain to the selected question. At this point, look at the bottom left corner of that question box. You will see various fields and options available. Focusing on this area is essential because it contains the space where you will input the point value for your question. This part of the interface is designed to make grading straightforward, and it ensures you don't miss any important settings. With that ready, locate the blank box labeled Points. This box is specifically designated for entering the point value of the question. It is usually accompanied by a small label or prompt to guide you. Entering a value here is crucial, as it determines how much the question contributes to the overall quiz score. You want to ensure this step is completed to make your quiz functional for grading students effectively. Next, type the numerical value you want the question to be worth, such as 5 or 10. Be sure to enter a whole number, as decimal values are not typically accepted in this field. This action sets clear expectations for respondents and allows you to quantify their performance accurately. After typing the value, you will see it reflected in the question box, ensuring that your changes are saved. For Microsoft Forms to automatically grade the points, you must specify the correct answer. This step is vital because it allows the software to calculate scores automatically. Without a designated correct answer, the grading feature will not function properly, which could lead to confusion during assessments. Finally, hover your mouse over the correct option. Click the checkmark icon labeled Correct Answer that appears on the right side of the option text. This action signals to Microsoft Forms which answer is correct. When students submit their responses, the system will use this marking to grade their answers. You will see a confirmation appear that indicates the option has been marked correctly. Following these steps will ensure your quiz is well structured and ready for evaluation. Thank you for following along.